squeeze this down and make sparks. Go. Okay, Chris Flores' mother made this amazing salsa here.
Just follow me.
A little bit of a storm coming in. The weather's getting colder and we're getting more snow. So I'm not sure how serious this is gonna get, but it's gonna be interesting because marshmallows, we got the special rainbow flavored ones from Walmart. These things are awesome.
They just need to catch on fire.
Well, it's been a great day and the snow is coming down properly. We're getting some accumulation. Oh, come aboard. Oh, nice blue cat. Looks like the catfish are just as crazy as us getting out in this weather.